Related to daily activities. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. Do you exercise daily? Yes, I do yoga every morning. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat toast and eggs. Do you go to the office? Yes, I go to the office every day. How do you go to work? I go by bus. When do you come home? I come home at 6 p.m. What do you do in the evening? I watch TV and relax. Do you help with household work? Yes, I help my mother in the kitchen. What time do you sleep? I sleep at 10 p.m. Do you follow a routine? Yes, I try to follow a routine related to shopping and food. Do you like shopping? Yes, I love shopping. What is your favorite food? I love biryani. Do you cook? Yes, sometimes I cook. How much is this? It's 100 rupees. Is it fresh? Yes, it's fresh. Do you want tea or coffee? I have tea, please. Do you eat out often? No, I prefer homemade food. Do you like sweets? Yes, very much. Can I have the bill? Yes, here it is. Is there a discount? Yes, 10% off today. Related to travel and directions. Where is the nearest ATM? It's near the bus stop. How far is the station? It's 2 kilometers away. Can you show me the way? Sure. Go straight and turn left. Is there a bus to the mall? Yes, take bus number 220. How long will it take? Around 20 minutes. Is it safe to travel at night? No, it's better in the day. Can I get a cab here? Yes, use a taxi app. Do you have a driving license? Yes, I do. Have you ever been abroad? No, not yet. Where do you want to go? I want to go to the airport. Related to English practice. Do you speak English? Yes, a little. How can I improve my English? Practice daily. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. Can you repeat, please? Sure. What does this word mean? It means happy. How do you spell it? Happy. Happy. What is the opposite of hot? Cold. Can you help me with grammar? Yes, of course. Is my sentence correct? Yes, it is. How do I say this in English? You can say good morning. Related to common conversations. What's the time? It's 4:30 p.m. What's today's date? It's 2nd July. What day is it today? It's Tuesday. What's the weather like? It's sunny. Do you have a pen? Yes. Here you go. What are you doing? I'm reading a book. Where are you going? I'm going to the market. Who is your best friend? Rohan is my best friend. Can I sit here? Yes, please. Is this your bag? Yes, it is. Polite and social phrases. Can I help you? Yes, thank you. May I come in? Yes, please. How was your day? It was good. Would you like some water? Yes, please. Can I ask you something? Sure. Shall we go? Yes, let's go. How do you do? I am fine, thank you. Do you agree with me? Yes, I do. Are you coming tomorrow? Yes, I will come. See you later. Yes, see you soon.